In this video, I will show you some little known ways to make money with your YouTube videos. Now, the first way is through YouTube Premium, and here you earn part of the subscription fee when a premium YouTube user watches your content. And for your content to be considered premium, it should be top-notch and free from advertisement. The second way is about channel membership, and to earn money through this way, you should have members who are paying monthly to watch your content. And like in YouTube Premium, your content should be great to convince people to pay to watch. The next way is through super chats, super stickers, and super thanks. And here, you allow your viewers on live stream to pay for their messages, images, or animation to appear at the top of the live chat. Another little known way to make money with your YouTube videos is through YouTube BrandConnect. And in this way, you get paid by a brand to include their content on your videos. And there's also concert ticketing as another little known way to make money on your YouTube videos. And this is for music artists on YouTube. And it's a way that allows the artists to easily sell tickets for their YouTube concerts. In addition, if your content is extremely useful, you can license it to media houses or other interested individuals or companies and earn money from your videos. Now, as a bonus, other common ways to make money on your YouTube videos include advertisement on videos or shorts through YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services, promoting other people or companies' products or services, crowdfunding or fan funding, and through subscription services on membership platforms. Note, all these ways have requirements and you have to meet them to use the ways to make money on YouTube. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.